while I'm waiting for this to cure, this is for another video by the way, still too bit green to rub it down. The top come out fairly good, the underneath's got drip marks and it still needs to be done. I need to coat it underneath. So while that's doing, got another little project, which is a shelving unit outside on the terrace behind the back door. Looks a bit unsightly up there. I'll show you a little picture in a minute. And what I'm going to do is make a shelving unit with a couple of doors on it. The width of these boards, which I actually picked up another 16 boards. These are a little bit better condition than the other ones I had. Not too many splits. Well, it's not a split actually, but they are some little oddball sizes, but it doesn't matter. I can work with that. It's for free, so it doesn't matter. So what I've got is going to cut 4 shelves. Take this end off and then cut 2 sides out of another board and then split another board right up the middle, and it should be the right size for the doors. Got these hinges, they should work for free. I didn't pay for those, and a couple of magnetic door latches, didn't pay for those either. All cut with a trusty little, I think it's 28 quid special. This has cut every project I've done. I really rate this. So sorry you purist people, but that's the way it goes. So yeah, the reason I get all this is for free is from when I used to be on maintenance. So a van stocked with stuff. All the screws and everything I got is free. All these boxes are full with screws. All my discs and everything, raw plugs are in there, it's full up. That's all free. And yeah, when I got 2P'd over, all that stuff came with me. So yeah, I've been using it for God knows 10 years on all the different stuff I've done. Never had to buy a screw, so quite lucky like that. So anyway, let's crack on with this.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after a lot of cutting, we've got to this stage. Unit with bottom and 2 shelves, 2 doors, cut. And the problem is the unit itself is racked. It wants to be hung, then pulled to one side to line the doors up, because it's a bit off square, like both corners, so it just needs pulling in top and bottom, opposite corners. So what I'm going to do now is strip it down and paint it, and yeah, it's looking good.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here we go. It's all cut, painted. Doors also. I'll leave these to dry. And in case you're wondering what paint I used, that's it. Ron Seal 1 Coat Fence Life, red cedar, water based, dries really quick. So pretty good stuff. I've used it for ages. So probably tomorrow we'll get this up on the wall, fit the doors, fit the magnetic catches. I don't know about handles, they might be alright without. If not, I'll find something. I've got 2 of them silver ones left, like these ones, but I want to save them for something else. So I'll have a look, see what else we've got. Until then, see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
So this is where we got to. It's all done up here. This is obviously done on the inside. I did put some netting on the back, try and stop some of the bugs from getting in. So they'll still get in, some little spindly spiders or whatever. Just got to find some handles. Looks pretty good. So I managed to fix it up the top with some brackets, so it's well strong enough. So now this box needs to be the same as that now, because this is you see it's bent over the years with the heat. That, you know, sometimes underneath this lean-to it gets like 35. I've seen it touching the 40s on the temperature gauge clock. So I'm going to take measurements of this and go and make one. Well, cut all these pieces up and didn't hit record, so saved you that boring task. So I'm just going to drill these out and then put the box together and give it a coat of paint. So we are done with this. We have, apart from the neighbour's dog, the top cupboard worked out really good. Gets all the crap that was in a box that was down here. Just got to find some handles. And then we have the bottom one, bottom storage cupboard. Works out really well. All the bits of paint that I use, charcoal, barbecue stuff, the ends of my lean-to roof panels that keep coming off. I'm going to end up screwing them on because they're doing my nut in. Gas strut wasn't for free, I actually paid for that, but that was about 10 years ago, so if I can find a price I'll show it here somewhere or whatever, but everything else was free. Hinges, obviously the screws I've told you about before. On the bottom I didn't do the epoxy resin. On the bottom there is some treated timber that's already been stained, which was the remnants of the shelf that was up here before. It was like is it like 2B1 roof battens, like treated timber. They're on the bottom of there on skids, and then sitting on some more of those promenade tiles that are down here. So yeah, worked out really well. So this little project's finished. All I've got to do is I need to get a nice bit of rope where I can tie up we loop it around this handle, stop the wind blowing the door, and that's about it, apart from a couple of handles which I said about. So that's that. Next thing is I've got to redo the skids on the bottom of this. This has been here for about 12 years, I think. Again, that's 2B1, no 2B2 treated timber. They've rotted out after 12 years, which ain't bad, because this gets soaked under here when it rains, because obviously the water off the terrace all runs across here, around the back here, and there's a drain here, and a drain in that corner. So yeah, it's not bad. So I just renewed the skids, use the same 2B1s on the top, they're all right, nothing wrong with them. Of course, safety Crocs. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, as always, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It does help, and I'll see you on the next project. So I don't know what that's going to be. Yeah, so thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time. Cheers, bye.